What is up, everybody? Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in and watching the channel. Today we're going to do another product review. This time we're going to do something in the Canon camera world. Earlier this week I picked up a Canon EF 70-200mm lens. This is version 3 of this series of lens. I got this one at Best Buy, $17.99 currently on sale, down from about $100 off. I think the original sticker price is $18.99. Pretty much you can get that anywhere on B&H Photo Video. You can get it at Best Buy. You can get it at Canon USA store. But this is a workhorse lens. It's good for sports photography or anything that you want to create a little bit of distance between you and your subject matter. This will give you that type of freedom. You can get really nice soft background focus, some bokeh, if you will. It's a workhorse of a lens. It's been in the business for years. I used to rent this lens in the 1 and 2 series. And I thought, it's time to buy one of these. It's, it gets expensive when you start renting out lenses every time you want to shoot. Although it was great to pick up lenses, whatever I need, whenever I needed them, from borrowlenses.com. But anyway, let's go ahead and open this. This is one beefy box. It's got your standard, images and whatnot on it. It's got the, description on the top. Let's pop it open and see what we got. Typically what you find inside is just your standard warranty card and instruction manual. And I've shot with this lens many times throughout the years. It does great for just about anything but a close-up. So let's pull it out and see what we got. It comes in the lens bag. It's beefy, solid, padded lens bag. I typically don't use these, but nice if you wanted to. These little holders are for the strap that I'm assuming comes inside. Yep, here it is right here. So get your strap. That would go here and there, and then you just use it as a shoulder, or you can go here, belt loop. You could belt loop it if you wanted to, but this lens is so big it might pull your pants down. Let's see what we got. Yeah, it's bubble wrapped inside. Let's see. There's some bubble wrap, plastic wrapping, got your lens hood. But yeah, if, it just depends on the venue and what you're going to shoot. If you're going to shoot concert footage, it really depends on how close you're going to get to your action. In order to use this type of lens. Typically, if I'm going to shoot concert photos, I do bring a long lens, and I do bring the 24-70. Both this lens and the 24-70 that I own are L series lenses, and that is indicated by the red ring here. That's their way of Canon showing that this is their premium line. So this is Canon EF mount right here. So we just quickly pop that off, and it just basically slides in a bayonet mount style. Very solid in construction. Exactly what you'd expect from a workhorse lens with this type of reputation. But yeah, if you are looking for a long lens and you don't mind the sticker price, there's nothing that matches Canon if you're a Canon guy or gal. This is an amazing lens. Like I said, I've rented the 1 and the 2, and an amazing lens. So here we have some buttons on the side right here indicating some very short focal distance, which looks like it reads 1.2 meters, and then another one that reads 2.5. It has the AF MF switch here for auto and manual, and then it comes with image stabilization as well, right here, on and off. And then you have stabilizer mode 1 and then 2 in case you wanted a little bit more stability. And then your collar mount. So incredible feel to it. The L series for me has always worked. An amazing lens. Sigma makes you know, an affordable line, similarly priced, but I don't think, I mean, it really is a preference, but I don't think for my taste, I don't think that Canon, I don't think that Sigma carries the reputation and build quality that is Canon's. So anyway, wanted to share that with you guys. Hope you liked the review. I'll put a link of where you can buy this lens. And if you're looking for a long lens, this is the one to buy. Incredible lens. From the 70mm range to the 200mm range. Great long lens. Canon zoom, EF lens. This will work for a crop sensor camera as well, as long as it has that style mount. But I think that the focal, I'm sorry, not the focal, but the zoom range will be completely different. I think it's, I'm not sure what the conversion is, but I believe that it's somewhere in the 120 to 3 range. I'm not sure though, I'd have to look that up. Anyway, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we'll talk soon. Thank you, bye.